Oh, you're a small business owner, maybe a freelancer, maybe you run an e-commerce store. You're tired of juggling spreadsheets, losing receipts, and having no real-time insights into your finances. You've heard about Xero, this cloud-based accounting software that everyone's raving about. But can you actually learn it yourself? Let's be honest, accounting isn't exactly known for being the most exciting topic. And Xero, with all its features, can seem downright intimidating. But the good news is, yes, absolutely, you can learn Xero on your own. Why learn Xero yourself? Cost-effective. Hiring a bookkeeper or accountant can be expensive, especially for startups or small businesses. Learning Xero yourself can significantly reduce these costs. Flexibility and control. You're in control of your own learning pace and can focus on the areas most relevant to your business needs. Increased understanding. By learning Xero yourself, you gain a deeper understanding of your own finances. This knowledge empowers you to make better business decisions. Improved efficiency. Xero automates many tasks, saving you time and allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business. Where to begin your Xero learning journey? Xero's own resources. Xero offers a wealth of free resources, including Xero Central. This is your go-to hub for all things Xero. You'll find articles, videos, and webinars covering a wide range of topics. Xero Help. This comprehensive knowledge base provides detailed instructions and troubleshooting tips for almost every feature in Xero. Guided experiences. Xero offers interactive guided experiences that walk you through key tasks like setting up your bank feeds and recording sales. Online courses and tutorials. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare offer a variety of Xero courses, from beginner to advanced. YouTube is a fantastic resource, with countless free tutorials available. Xero Community. Connect with other Xero users on the Xero Community Forum. Ask questions, share tips, and learn from the experiences of others. Tips for successful self-learning. Start with the basics. Don't try to learn everything at once. Begin with the fundamentals, such as setting up your chart of accounts, recording sales and expenses, and reconciling bank accounts. Practice regularly. Consistent practice is key. Dedicate even 15 to 30 minutes each day to working with Xero. Use real-life scenarios. Practice with your own business transactions or create sample data to get hands-on experience. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you get stuck, don't hesitate to reach out to the Xero community or utilize the resources mentioned earlier. Common challenges and how to overcome them. Feeling overwhelmed. Break down the learning process into smaller, more manageable chunks. Focus on one task or module at a time. Technical difficulties. Xero is generally user-friendly, but you might encounter some technical issues. Utilize the Xero Help resources or contact Xero support for assistance. Staying motivated. Learning a new software can be challenging. Set realistic goals, reward yourself for your progress, and find an accountability partner. Beyond the basics. Exploring advanced Xero features. Once you've mastered the fundamentals, you can delve deeper into more advanced features, such as inventory management, track stock levels, manage purchase orders, and automate order fulfillment. Payroll. Process payroll, manage employee leave, and comply with tax regulations. Projects. Track project profitability, manage budgets, and invoice clients for project work. Reporting. Generate customized reports to gain valuable insights into your business performance. Learning Xero is an investment in your business. Learning Xero is an investment in your time and effort, but the rewards can be significant. By mastering this powerful accounting software, you'll gain greater control over your finances, improve your business efficiency, and make more informed decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.